Give me your phone and play some music. YouTube. Welcome to everyone. Welcome to everyone. Please, let's join. Share as you join. Share as you join. We all know we should share and join. We should share as we join. Share as you join. Share as you join. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, fellow comrades. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Share as you join. Let's hit a maximum of 20 viewers. And I start. Share as you join. 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 Let's hit a maximum of 20 viewers and I start. Share as you join, fellow comrades. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We have so many things to talk on. Let's share and join. Let's share as we join. Let's share and invite friends. Let's share and invite friends. Today is a great day. Let's share and invite friends. Rewriting my story. Rewriting your story. Let's invite friends. Let's share and invite friends. We have close to 10 viewers and nobody has shared the video. Nobody has shared the video. It's not correct, fellow brothers. Let's share and invite our fellow comrades for them to join us. Let's share and invite friends for them to join us. Today is going to be one of our great days. Let's invite, let's share. Welcome Emmanuel Lee, welcome Evangelina, welcome Marcel, welcome Den Felix, welcome Puyo Bonaventure, welcome Edwin Fru, welcome Kingsman, welcome to everybody as you join. Welcome to everybody as you join. Welcome to everyone. Welcome Agbo George. Welcome Agbo George. Share as you join. Welcome Ernesto Jr. Revolutionary greetings to everyone. I have just one person that have shared the video. Welcome Deep Fredo. Welcome Deep Fredo. Welcome the Ruado. Welcome to everyone who is coming in on board. Let's share the video. Let's share and invite friends. Welcome Ryan Angloman, welcome. I can see you. Welcome to everybody who is joining right now. Let's hit 20 viewers. Welcome Brady Eric, my humble servant from Belgium. Welcome fellow brother Brady Eric. Thank you for the sharing. Welcome Valentino. Welcome to my elder brother who is joining me right now. Welcome to my elder brother Gabila. Welcome all the way from the South America. Welcome Mama Blinks. Welcome to everyone. Let's hit 20 viewers and I start. Welcome. We have hit the 20 viewers in no time. We have hit the 20 viewers in no time. Thank you very much. Fellow Amberlanders, thank you very much to everybody who is joining me live right now. This is Don Pacho from Spain. Like I always say, please, we are in a revolution and we are looking for strategies on how we can free our homeland. We are looking for strategies on how we can take the revolution to another level. I always say it, as we are here, let us keep insults aside. Let us bring out proposals. Let us come out with proposals for us to see where we can take this revolution to. Thank you for everybody who is online watching me right now. Like I always say, my live videos, I always like to do my live videos in pidgin language, because I believe that is the language that majority of us we understand. I will talk in the pidgin language. Okay, I will start for the first topic of the day, where the topic for the day now, we brothers and sisters them where they die back home, which way we for diaspora will get for do, how we get for support the revolution, which be our own contribution, what we get for contribute for the revolution, for move the revolution, make it go ahead. Why we as Ambazonian them will there for diaspora will get for look at those people where they day back for ground zero, which way we get for push them, the motivational speeches we'll get for give them for them. The motivational support we'll get for give them for them. Now which we'll get for look into today. We don't get for day all the time. We look only about say some person he don't come up, he talk this one. This person he don't come up, he talk this one. We throw insults for each and every one of us. But where the power for this revolution is relying on people them where they do for ground zero. Now ground zero he hold the revolution, not be we for diaspora. People for ground zero, they look up to we. They look at our financial resources, our financial support we'll get for give them for them. They look at that encouragement words, the encouragement messages, the encouragement statement them we'll get for give them for them. No be time for we for shit on down. Anytime we come for social media, activists them they come for social media, they come throw away insults for a fellow activist, he come he attack a fellow activist, he look which way fellow activists they do, he try to criticize them. Which way get for do now for look and give encouragement for those people then where they did for ground zero. That people then for ground zero. Now them they face the guns, now them they face the battle, now them they face the arrest. Which we wouldn't do for say make we support these people for ground zero. The acting president, His Excellency Dr. Ekome Samuel Sako, he don't come up with my trip to Buea for say make every Southern Cameroonian for diaspora, make it forget whether it belong to AGC, make it forget whether it belong to SCYL, make it forget whether it belong to Morix, make it put in money for my trip to Buea. He don't talk say my trip to Buea na a covenant between ye and the people for Ambazonia. But what people them for diaspora, all thing we know now for come insult each and every one. We can't throw away insults for ourselves. We don't forget about the enemy, the terrorists where they kill we for ground zero. But all we know now for come insult. But where the contributions, the money where they ask them, the money where the people for ground zero they ask them, they need to give them that money. But every day, every time, now insult, we can't insult ourselves, we can't throw away insult for the people the way they struggle for see how they push the revolution, make a move ahead. Every day we come, now insult we throw them for them. The resources what we need for give them for this revolution. Now money what we get for give them for this revolution. And they come today because many people they don't talk to me, say Don Pacho will never see you live. Now Don Pacho this you don't come live. As Don Pacho they talk, at the talk now say make we put in all our resources for inside one basket. All we now, everybody we in overseas put in anything for my trip to Buea. Now is the time for you for take that decision, for give in the resources, for put in that money, for give in a maximum, even at $20, 20 euros, 20 cents. Give them in for the revolution. Support the ground soldiers. Support the restoration forces. Now that restoration forces, they still keep me and you what would they for social media. If that restoration forces, then nobody do what they do. The revolution, if we don't die, sings. Long time ago, the revolution, if we don't die. The other ground soldiers them. Now them don't keep the revolution up to this moment. But we would there for diaspora, would there for social media, all we know now for throwing insults. So other people they when they don't come again for this revolution. I don't know whether now wait till it happen for we fellow brothers and sisters them for this revolution. Any day would only hear a creation of groups, creation of this group, creation of that group. I don't know wait till where it happen for we. This revolution, the politics would play or we want really free this what brothers and sisters and where they die for ground zero. Are we in a political revolution or we are in a revolution to free homeland? We there for revolution because we want free homeland, But some people they don't take the revolution for say may they form political groups, may they form political sectors them for say may they derail the powers where the people they don't give them for the interim government. The interim government where every Ambazonian is recognized under the interim government where it be headed now by the acting president, Dr. Ekome Samuel Sako. Any other group where you know the fall in line, people where they inside interim government, where they support some other devilish group, where it come up, it form its own self, it call itself say na scope. Whether it is scope now, where the group where they come up say it there for the people, where the people don't already reject it from the beginning. The people don't already reject the group for the beginning, but the group is still only one push the agenda. If that group not get a secondary agenda, why is the only one push itself? If it claims say it want do grassroots mobilization, what grassroots mobilization where the people them for ground zero they never get them. Everybody for ground zero he already get that mentality. If you even call federation now for ground zero, they attack you black leg. The political mobilization, the political history already there for ground zero. Any man where it is the political mobilization, you know, there for ground zero. May go call federation for ground zero, see what way they go do with ye. May we stop all this creation of groups. We stop all this thing where we attack this man, will come out, go form group. Wait where the people for Ambazonia they want na unity. United we stand and divided we fall. The day where that unity it go finally come. Now that day where Ambaland it go be free and make all man in know say nobody no get monopoly for this revolution. The same as way they can't stand the talk say Atta Milan it get strategies. It get strategies make it bring the strategies for table where all man is on top of that table. They strategize and see how they will carry the revolution to the next step. Nobody no be monopoly for this revolution. His Excellency Sisi Kutabe Ayok Tabe, if you don't talk and for one of its messages, say nobody no be above the revolution. And if you talk am, say if la Republic one kill make the start for kill na ye. Nobody no hold monopoly for this revolution. No leader no get monopoly for this revolution. Now the people's revolution, and now the people go decide who they want make it be their leader. Now why that way the people don't endorse the interim government, the people don't stand by the interim government, and the people there with the interim government, the people go support that interim government till the day we will reach Buea. Buea is not far from now. Buea not be far from now. Which way will people need na encouragement? Encourage ground zero. Give ground zero the powers. Tell ground zero, say we for diaspora will stand with them. Give ground zero the money. Give ground zero the resources where they need. All man where it think say this revolution is then for diaspora. It don't lie itself. The revolution is then for ground zero. Now ground zero they face the gun battle. Now ground zero they go defend what papa them. Now ground zero they defend what mommy them. Now ground zero they do everything for we. We for diaspora which way ground zero need from we. Ground zero need now our contributions. Ground zero need now that money. Ground zero no need na insult. Ground zero need na money from we. Any man where in knows say in sign in for my trip to Buea. Now is the time. Search yourself. Search your conscience. Ask yourself this question. That boy them, that picking them, that girl where they be kill them for Pini. If na my brother, if na my sister, how are for the feel? Look at the villages there for Manfe, look Kwakwa, look Bello, look Jinikom, look Ikiliwinji, the villages there where they don't burn them all. Ask yourself, say that compound there where they don't burn them. If that compound will be my compound, me where they for diaspora, I don't sweat, all my sweat, I build compound. La Republic terrorists them, they go burn them. Ask yourself, say if that compound will be na your compound, how you for the field. Search yourself, sponsor. Give ground zero the maximum respect where they need from we for diaspora. And that respect where they need from we for diaspora, now our finances. They need now our finances. Every day we activists they come out. They need to come out now because they come out. Say the one can talk. We come out because they come out for do mobilization. For say make we talk to our people. Because make our people they don't think say the revolution it die. The revolution is day ahead. The revolution it is succeed. Success is then day ahead. And success is then they will not achieve them. It's still there. But now say the interim government, it don't talk say anything where it do right now, social media, it no go see them. All we may we put hands together. May we support ground zero. Any man make it put in money, put in your money for my trip to Buea. Sponsor the ground soldiers. Give the ground soldiers, give them the weapons to defend homeland. They need the weapon them. We don't tire for the call the weapon, their name they say granite. We don't tire for the call them say stick. They need guns and bullets. We go call them for the name way we need for call them. We need guns and bullets for give ground zero. And they not go give them with empty hand. Every day people recommend they only insult interim government. Say interim government let it do anything. We not need to give the interim government the money. We need to give them the money, make them do which way we want. When we come out, we see our boys them. They stand with them guns. How would it feel? But we want to make them defend homeland. No. Make we give them the money where we need. Any man search your conscience, say, if I want buy gun, how much have you buy gun? How much have you buy granite? How much have you buy bullet the way go kill like 2 terrorists, soldiers of La Republique? If you want buy gun, buy your gun. Pay money where you go buy gun. Pay money where you go buy gun. No pay money where you fear say you no go fit buy. Pay money where you teach say this money if it buy gun, this money if it buy bullets, this money if it give we freedom. Now wait where we for diaspora will get for do. Ground zero they don't put in their life. They don't surrender their life. They don't talk say they go die for defend homeland. They go die for defend homeland. Every day they come out for street. They come out. They defend homeland. They defend their mommy them. They defend their papa them. They defend their pikin them. That's so we too will get for give them the weapon them. We get for put in the resources. We give them the weapon them. Make them fight the battle for we. Make them defend homeland for we. Make them take with that ground zero where we need them. That is our territory and we must take it. We know the beg La Republique. May La Republique know say they be declare war for we. As they declare war for we go take the territory by power, by force. We go take the territory by power, by force. We will only talk about dialogue. It is not more time for dialogue. Even the negotiation, whether they want fight for the negotiation right now, we never still accept whether we don't be willing for negotiate with them. The time they come, we will tell them what conditions of negotiation. We not just accept negotiation because we want accept negotiation. We'll go for accept negotiations for the right time. We'll think say we don't defeat La Republique. We'll go take our territory and then we'll go negotiate for them on the terms and conditions on how they go settle we, they go settle our families, they go settle everybody, they go settle the families the way they don't burn their compounds, they go settle the families the way they don't kill them, we go give them other conditions before we even sit down for negotiation table. All these things, La Republique for no say, people for Amba, they don't stand as one man soldier like we Babi talk. Even they bring the foreign soldiers of France for fight we, they no go kill all we. We shall live free or die. We the people of Ambaland, we shall live free or die. We know the fear La Republique. We know the beg La Republique for any negotiations. They go beg we for that negotiations. Now we don't take our destiny into our hands. We don't decide say this era, you know, go pass we by. We the youths for this time, we no go live and mewa picking they can't take this battle. We don't decide to take the battle for now. And as we take this battle, now Buea be our last bus stop. Nothing or anything, it no go stop we for say make we no reach that Buea. Any man who is still think say Buea is a dream, make it wake up for that sleep. Because say Buea is a reality. And that Buea, we must reach there. In not due time from now, Buea go receive we. Now we, the people for Ambaland, now we get our territory. We pay allegiance to the Ambazonian territory and the Ambazonian flag. We don't pay allegiance to any individual. No individual no get monopoly over this revolution. The revolution, now a revolution to free a people of Ambaland. We, the people of Ambaland, now we get this revolution. Now we will get this revolution and we don't decide to take our destiny into our hands. Any man where it stand, it talk, say, may we come down for ground zero. We will there for ground zero already. We're there for the ground zero. We don't put our resources. We don't give them what they need. We give them the maximum support. We put our resources. They fight, it fight for so many fronts. People for ground zero, they fight. People for diaspora, they fight. We fight the battle for so many fronts. Now, whether we will win the battle diplomatically and we will win the battle physically for ground zero. All the fronts them, we day for day, will not get nothing for stand for talk say La République it be na part of Ambazonia. Ambazonia is a free territory and it will stand as a free territory. That one be said and done. I want come now for this issue for people where they stand every day, they try for say make they criticize some group of people, they stand for say make they criticize a government where the government be voted, it be vetted by the people. The people for Ambazonia, they don't pay their allegiance to the interim government headed by His Excellency Ekome Sako Samuel. Now we, the people for Ambaland, who vote Dr. Ekome Samuel Sako, I want to give una which way he make Dr. Ekome Samuel Sako before he be the acting president now. Because plenty people they talk saying appointments. No. I therefore come for explain so many things for the people for Southern Cameroon and Ambazonian. Make them understand. Some talk today where they talk say the people, the country head them, they be appointed. There is no country head, I repeat, no country head will be appointed and no country head can ever be dismissed. No country head no be appointed and no country head no will ever be dismissed. All country heads, they be voted. They vote all country, each and every country, it vote a country head. The Southern Cameroon community for Germany, it vote a coordinator for Germany. Southern Cameroon community for South Africa, it vote a country head. Every community for Spain, they vote their country head. All this community then, they vote their country head. And that their country head, then they represent them for inside that government with the policies when are the people for the constituencies, them for the countries, them where they did it. Now they talk their thing the way they want them. The country head, then they go in for inside the government, they put in their resolution, they debate their resolutions them as country heads, then they forward them to the government, say, this is what the country head them, they don't decide. Because we consult the grassroots. When we talk of the grassroots, we talk of the people for the various countries them. We consult those for the various countries them where we did it. All countries head them, they be voted. And they consult. Now there are people, they tell, they say, okay, would they pay allegiance to the interim government? Would they pay allegiance to AGC? Would they pay allegiance to SCYL? Would they pay allegiance to this group? No. No country head no be ever be picked by Atam Milan. Never and never. It no will ever happen. Nobody never ever appoint any country head. If you know any country head where you think say na Mr. Atam Milan he appoint you, call in name, put in name for social media. Country coordinators them go interview you. Country coordinators then go interview a constituency. They go ask you questions. How it be a country coordinator where it no be voted by the people? If you know any country coordinator where you believe deep inside you, say it no be voted by the people for that constituency, for that country, then put in name. Because all country coordinators, they have been voted. They be voted by their people for their various countries. They hold a general assembly. They do their elections. They vote country head. They vote they get their treasurer. They get their financial secretary. They get everything. No country head, no the support. Wait where they call us a scope. No country head. You know the support scope. No country head no deal with scope. Make una know that one. Make people know they just woke up every day. They come to talk thing there for social media because they just want talk. Some group of people there where they know the power of the country coordinators. They want sabotage country coordinators because they know the power of the country coordinators. Now country coordinators, they mobilize funds from their various constituencies. They know the power of the country coordinators where they don't try way for belong to country coordinators, but they don't be vote them. They want sabotage country coordinators. Country coordinators are not hand clappers. Country coordinators were not handpicked. Country coordinators represent their various constituencies, and they put in the resolutions of their constituencies for inside the government. They question the government. They question the government. They not do anything just because the government don't pass a resolution. Before the government won't pass a resolution, the government to consult the country coordinators. Go back to your various countries and ask your people, what did they think about this thing before they pass that resolution? Make no man, no ever stand for some place. It talks say they don't appoint a country coordinator. There was no country coordinator that was ever appointed. The people voted their country coordinator. The people made their country coordinator to be a country coordinator. Make would try to follow rules of the revolution. Make we follow rules of the revolution. Make we not talk because some man don't come out. Say Capo Daniel don't come out talk say country coordinators the support scope. Which country coordinator the support scope? Except the surrogates in South Africa. Only those in South Africa and the country coordinator for South Africa in no position. They don't put it for a position for inside country coordinators meeting. They don't put a position. He know whose side where he belong. He know whose side where he belong. Nothing, nobody, no day where he be country coordinator where they be appointing and appoint them. And no country coordinator in the support scope. No country coordinator in no be handpicked country coordinator. All country heads, all country coordinators were being voted. I don't talk. If you know some country where when a Milan be appointed, when a Milan be appointed as country coordinator, call the name for that country. Call the name for that country. Call the name for that country head. In name go be question. In work go be question. They will go for a constituency to find out if really it be voted, and if they discover say not be voted, they go run an election. They go tell their constituency to run an election and bring up a country coordinator, a country head. So may we leave this sabotage. We were various community, there were various brother them. So we brother them there. When they did for the revolution, they sabotage country coordinator because they know the powers of the country coordinators. Now country coordinators, they mobilize funds for their various communities because people there where they need to pay money online, but they will pay for their country coordinators where they will channel them for their communities. Now country coordinators, when we see fundraising, you go here say fundraising in Canada. Now country coordinator of Canada initiative. When you say fundraising in Germany, now country coordinator initiative. When you hear say fundraising in Spain, now country coordinator initiative. When you hear say fundraising there for United States, now country coordinator initiative. All these things now people where they work for the government. They see these people, they see the mobilization with country coordinators them. They bring them up. Now why that way they struggle only for bring down the country coordinators. They struggle for bring down the interim government in general. What did this interim government don't do for we? This interim government don't come up. It don't bring up good resources. It don't bring up good strategies. It don't come up with mobilization. You don't bring education. You don't educate ground zero. Who we believe, say for 21st of October 2007, September 2017, and on the on the 1st of October, the population will be come out. That is the power of this government. The power that was mobilization, grassroots mobilization. Where some people don't come on now with some groups say scope, say that they want to do grassroots mobilization. Which grassroots mobilization where scope one do them again? Where the IG no be don't do them. What these people then want? Why do we create confusion every day in this revolution? Why would they for this revolution? Now only for say we want to create confusion. We know the feel the pains for our people that where they die for ground zero. We know the feel the pains for our people that where they suffer for ground zero. Why every day would they only for sabotage? Would they only for sabotage? Would they only for sabotage? Would they only for say we go form group this, group A this, group B this, scope this, arrière, AGC here, all these things. We the people of Amberland, we say no. We say no to scope. We say no to scope. We the people of Amberland, we say no to the formation of any new group. We pay our allegiance to the interim government. We pay our allegiance to the interim government, and the interim government is the government for the people of Ambazonia. The Federal Republic of Ambazonia is being headed by His Excellency Dr. Ekome Samuel Sako. For the moment, make we stop all this sabotage. Make we stop all these insults. People where they insult people, when you look at them, now people where they get fake profiles, people where they know fit stand for Facebook, make live video like me, but now only them they throw away insults. Fellow comrades, leave these agents of La Republique. Listen to what you me at the talk, support what you are at the talk, leave agents them. No query with any agent for my Facebook page. I will leave the agent them, make they come, make they can listen, make they can take the message, go tell their master. We will not fear nothing again. Now me, Don Pasho at the talk, I not fear nothing again. Take me to La Republique. They know the people when are revolutionaries them. La Republique know who are the true revolutionaries. We don't give the La Republique people. We don't give La Republique people. It remains tomorrow. 1 day to go. 1 day to go. 31st. May they leave what territory. May they leave what territory. They go see blood. They go see blood. Enough is enough. They go see blood. We don't beg them. They kill what people like they kill dogs. They kill what people like they kill animals. But we don't give them. They go see blood. People they only talk all time say interim government they talk, they need to defend. We not go see as well interim government go defend this very talk. What I tell una now so interim government go defend this very talk. La Republique must leave what territory. If they don't leave, we not go see Manyaka. What you call us Manyaka, La Republique go. La Republique go. We not fear them again. Me Don Pacho, look me fine, my face. I go defend the video any day, anytime. I go defend the video. La Republique must go. We not beg them. From the 1st of June, they go start here. 1-1, they go the loss. 1-1, they go the loss. As we talk, the teacher will play. 1-1, they go the loss. 1-1, any La Republique man, we still there for inside Amberland. If they go the loss, 1-1. 1-1. We not beg them, we not fear them. Now they declare war on we. As they don't declare war, they go see war. They go create genocide for Pini. They go cause genocide for Pini, we go cause that genocide for them too. Not be only we go die, they must die. Not be only we go die, they must die. La Republique too, we not go die. The time from the 1st of June, we not mark my words, we not go we not go Siam. We not go Siam. They must go. La Republique must go. Like Nigeria, be tell Ghana people say Ghana must go. La Republique must go. La Republique must leave our territory. We don't beg them by power, by force. They must go. We don't tell them say we want me to go because they will fight our war. We don't want to kill them. But they don't show in as a way. They want to show say they be King Kong. As well they want to show say they be King Kong. We go show them what way King Kong they do. Where they do King Kong. They must go. They must go. They must go. We no dey beg them. Any man where they tell me say rest in peace. Now you go rest in peace. La Republic agent, you go rest in peace because you go die high blood. That will go start kill una. You go die high blood. High blood go hold you. Stroke go hold you. I don't want me to die except na die na. Me stroke hold you. Me why say your skin paralyzed. Me suffer. You suffer before you die. I no go block you. Paralysis go hold you. As you say, man, rest in peace. Now you go rest in pieces. Dog. Paralysis go hold you. La Republic agent them. As well as say, we dey for the revolution na for joke. We no dey for the revolution for joke. Any man where they look the revolution, I don't talk. You just say a dream, you the dream. As you the dream, wake up from that dream. Wake up for that dream. Wake up from that dream. The time is now. The time is now. We don't take our destiny into our hands. We don't go pass the baton to the next generation. This generation must free Amberland. We don't pass the baton to no generation. Now this generation, they will free Amberland. Any man waiting say, we dey for the revolution. Now because they will come for the revolution. Now we can't joke. We don't come for the revolution, we can't joke. Enough is enough. They go cause genocide for Pinyin, cause genocide for Santa, cause genocide for all sides. Then they watch them she down. They clap with themselves, they call for negotiation with you. Negotiate with you. What do they want to negotiate with us? We're not there for no negotiation. We're not there for no negotiation. Demons. People they suffer. People they die. People they graduate for university. They don't get jobs. People they suffer. When they come out for protest, when I kill them, when I kill the animals, they when I talk, say when I want dialogue, when I want negotiate with who them? We don't negotiate with terrorists. Go and negotiate with Boko Haram as now you colleague them, now you accomplice the way we negotiate with them. Now terrorist group like La Republic, as we have been negotiate with them for 2010, when we go continue for negotiate with them. We the people of Ambazonia, we are dignified people. We are dignified people where we stand for defend our homeland. We must stand for defend our homeland. That land belongs to we. We know the backup for some man. I pay my allegiance to the territorial boundaries of Ambazonia and to the flag of Amberland. I know the beg nothing for no man. We know the beg nothing for no man. We know the stand for the revolution because we want to achieve something personal. We want to achieve a territory, a country where we call us Ambazonia. Any man where he thinks say is there for the revolution, all black legs they must go. All black legs they must go. Any man where he thinks say is there for the revolution, now for achieve a personal gains, it is time for you to think and rethink and think again. Any man where she don't down look the revolution, he thinks that the revolution, now for achieve personal gain, it is time for you to think and rethink again. Nobody has the monopoly over this revolution. The revolution is the people's revolution, and the people will decide. They decide who to be their leader, and they decide which way they want for this revolution. Now we will go decide which we want, and we already take our side. We don't decide whose side we will. We stand with the interim government and we support the interim government. We pay our allegiance to the interim government. We pay our allegiance to the people of Ambazonia because the interim government is the government of the people of Ambazonia. Any man where it's like say make we free homeland, pay your allegiance to Dr. Ekome Samuel Sako, the acting president of the interim government of Ambazonia. Now he be the leader where the people them they don't decide to pay their allegiance to. Support. Would he pay allegiance because those people for ground zero will get to give them the maximum support. This battle is there for ground zero. The battle is there for ground zero. Ground zero people they come out every day, every night with their weapons to defend our papa them, for defend our mommy them, for defend our brothers and sisters them. But we there for diaspora, for say we give them just that one support where they need them from us, financial support. We know the one give them. We there now for say we want create groups, we want create this kind of group, we want create this. No to the creation of any group, no to the formation of any group in the name of whether whosoever or whosoever. We don't support any group again. We pay allegiance to the interim government, carry scope and go away with it. We will never support anything from anybody calling himself a group leader. We not pay allegiance to groups. We pay allegiance to the government. And the government is the government for the people. The Federal Republic of Ambazonia has a government, and that government is being headed by His Excellency Dr. Ekome Samuel Sako. Any man where he come up with group, Mr. Atam Milan, that way they castigate you. They castigate you. Say that you say our leader them. I stand by you. I support you. I be there with you. But you don't come back. You come back with demonic act. You come back with demonic act. Very demonic act. We don't bring them in, Mr. Atam Milan. You come up with act for say you the one form group. Which group? Say one mobilize ground roots. Which ground roots do you want to mobilize? Which ground roots do you want to mobilize? The population will be come out for 22nd of September and the 1st of October. That population already shows the people them they stand with the interim government, because now the interim government that time in the days of the governing council now them be do that grassroots mobilization. If you go for ground zero at Tamila where you talk say you don't want to do grassroots mobilization, you go for ground zero, go call federation, you be black leg, they target you for backside, kill you. Any man wait to say grassroots no forget grassroots mobilization, it is lie. It is lie. Any man who talks about grassroots no get grassroots mobilization, it is lie. What boys they don't get good weapons. I don't just say we call and not direct for the name. Ground soldiers them they don't get good weapons. May we put in money for my trip to Boya. They need weapons. They need weapons. Ground zero need weapons. Now weapons we go use for fight. Gun. If you want to get a contribution, give money say, I dey put in $500 because $500 if you buy gun. Put money for buy gun. Put in your money for gun. Now gun. No put money where you say no if you buy gun. Put money where you know say if you buy gun, you buy granite. You buy with bullet, gun and bullet. Put money where if you buy gun and bullet. We know the call them against a granite. You don't too much. La Republique, it is now or never. It is now or never. Now or never. We don't decide. We don't take our destiny into our hands. We don't take our faith into our hands. We come out for street, for protest. We not kill we. We don't decide to defend ourselves. Enough is enough. We shall live free or die. You go kill to the last drop, to the last man standing. Like we Barbie talk. You go kill to the last man standing before you take over that homeland. That is the message for today. Any man will never contribute for my trip to Boya. Now not the time. Go to the website. Contribute to my trip to Boya. Make we take ground zero. In the days ahead, ground zero will change. La Republic people. Tomorrow na last day. We'll give una for territory. Tomorrow na last day. We don't give one in the Unachi say we play. As from the first, we not go know. We not go know which way we go start do. We not go the loss one after the other. We not go the loss. We not go the loss, the disappear one after the other. We not go the disappear. We not go the disappear. We not go the disappear. My fellow brothers and sisters, I don't come to the end of this live show. I want give kudos for my fellow activists, them like Mark Barata. I want give kudos for Coco Blinks. I want give kudos for Prince Jeka. I want give kudos for Eri Tato. I want to give kudos for Wonja Bois. I give kudos for all the activists them. Make una stay blessed. And make we not forget say my trip to Buea is still there open. Make we stay blessed and forget about Black Leg the way they comment. Make we not need to attack them. They go tire only by themselves and they go live by themselves. Actions speak louder than words. The action days are ahead. Stay blessed and have a very blessed and prosperous week. Ciao.